No noise, no lies. Today we're using Vex Zero gaming modules along with 120 FPS system tweaks. This setup is designed to optimize performance and improve frame rate stability during gaming. These modules focus on resource management and system tuning, not fake boosts or edited FPS. Results depend on your device hardware and game support. Follow each step carefully because incorrect settings can cause performance issues. No clickbait FPS, just real optimization. All required modules and tweak files are provided in the description below. The files are locked for safety, and the password will be shared inside the video. Watch till the end to avoid mistakes. Now let's get started.
So guys, let's get started. So guys, in this video we will be using the two apps, System Database Editor and the Z-Archiver, from which we will be extracting the file. Now open the Z-Archiver and go to the downloaded folder where you save the downloaded folder. As you can see, I have saved the downloaded file here. Now simply extract here this. As you can see that this file has been appeared. In this video we will be using these two files. Open this and first install the Vex Zero app. Install the Vex Zero app. Wait to install it, and as you can see that it has been installed. Now open the Vex Zero simply and give it the permission to access the system file. As you can see, I have allowed the permission. Now you have to open the Shizuku. Second step. Now search for the Shizuku app. Here the Shizuku app. Now click start the Shizuku. Open the developer option. Simply open the developer option. Now turn on USB debugging and wireless debugging. Now go back and pairing, click pairing and put the code here. As you can see that I have provided the code. Now go back to Shizuku and click start. Guys, you have to turn on this option to avoid any permission issue. As you can see that there will be no issue after turning on this option. Now simply give this permission to magisk Vex Zero. Now go back to the magisk Vex Zero app, and as you can see that Shizuku, now restart this app. As you can see that there's reading Shizuku is running. Now click here and install the modules. Now go to the file where we have saved the modules. At the Magisk Pro, Magisk, here it is, Magisk Zero. Simply click this. Guys, open it from Z-Archiver so you will don't get any problem. I'm getting some issues when I am doing from here. Gaming optimizer, as it is the example as how you can run the module. Now like this you can run all the module, and as you can see I have turned on the module. Now the module has been started. Now second option, as I have put the module, so I am turning off the module. Now I'm going to the second step. Guys, now go back to the Z-Archiver. Guys, please don't skip the video after that you say that it is not working. Guys, then leave. Now simply click this file, open this file and copy all these to the folder I am providing you. Copy this, go to device storage, Android, and create the same name folder I am creating. Here's the folder. As you can see, make the same name folder and copy in this. Click to apply, replace, and simply copy this to the same folder. Now go back and open the System Database Editor. Now open this and write arrow, click peek refresh, rate, value will be 120. Now click save. Now go back and simply enjoy the smoothness of gaming. Guys, if you like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.